Patong-patong na dumi ang natanggal ngayong araw ng Intramuros Administration at Embahada ng Germany sa mga pader ng Fort Santiago.
I believe this is the first time that it was thoroughly cleaned. Before, it was manually cleaned. We did not have that innovative tool to do the thorough cleaning. But now, with the help of Karcher, we'll be able to thoroughly clean our walls.
Ginamit sa maingat na pagdilinis ng paligid ng Fort Santiago ang German technology ng kumpanyang Karcher. Kinakailangan daw kasi ang labis na pag-iingat para hindi maapektuhan ang bawat batong ginamit sa paggawa ng mga pader ng heritage site na ito.
For this project, we are using Karcher steam cleaning technology and gentle chemical-free method that effectively removes dirt, pollution, and biological growth while keeping the original structure in its best condition.
Layunin ng Intramuros Administration sa hakbang na ito ang mas mapangalagaan at mapaganda pa ang Fort Santiago para sa paghihikayat ng marami pang mga turista sa bansa at mapanatiling kilala ang Intramuros bilang world's leading tourist attraction. Katunayan, bahagi rin daw ito ng pagpapalago pa ng ugnayan ng Pilipinas at Germany.
This project not only preserves the architectural beauty of Fort Santiago, but it also strengthens the cultural ties between our nations. We work together on global issues, including climate change, environmental protection, air cleanliness, and renewable energy.
Hinihikayat naman ng Intramuros Administration ng publiko na mag-volunteer sa ikahasa nitong clean-up drive sa susunod na buwan para mapanatiling malinis ang buong mga pader at heritage sites sa loob ng Intramuros.
Mula sa IBC 13, Patricia Lopez para sa Pambansang TV ng Bagong Pilipinas.